Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, now I start. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Gangode Madhuri, and my group members are Khainar Manjari, Raite Shubhangi, and Raut Arti. Today, we are going to present a project topic, drip irrigation filter auto flushing system, under the guidance of Professor P.N. Achalya sir. Next slide, Manjari. So now let me start. There are some presentation outlines, and first introduction. Now introduction, then literature survey, proposed system, details of modules. Previous slide. Details of modules, software tools and technologies, working module, project plan, references, and proofs of project competition. Next slide. Now I explain the problem statement. For solving the problem of manual cleaning, that means the farmers are facing the problem of cleaning of filter. They perform the cleaning of that particular filter manually. So for solving that particular problem and opening that filter after it gets choke up, we are implementing a new model. New model on mobile application to make cleaning automatically through that particular mobile application. That means farmer perform opening and filter cleaning totally manual. That means it requires some manpower and it consumes time also. So to avoid all these efforts, extra efforts, we are going to develop one mobile application on which we provide all the information to the user on their mobile application, and user also gets a notification whenever filter gets choke up. After that, user decide whenever he or she wants to perform the cleaning, and on that particular through that particular application, user can perform the flushing process. Next part will be explained by Manjari Khaina.
Overview of our project is the existing system of a drip irrigation filter have problem of a manual cleaning of filter. Hence it requires a manpower and it's consume much more time. In our proposed system, the cleaning of filter will done automatically without any manpower through mobile application, and the auto flushing system will take a few of seconds to complete entire cleaning process. Need of our project is the normal filtration system have many problems faced by farmers of cleaning of filter. For cleaning of filter, farmers are not able to easily detect the choke up in the filter before manually open it. Objective of our project is to save the time of farmers and they reduce the extra efforts which require for manual cleaning to easily detect the choke up in the filtration system. Literature survey. Based on the many existing systems have been studied which take much more time to cleaning of filter, the design of a proposed system providing facility to auto flushing of filter, an automated irrigation system of efficient water management, and a garbage detection system has been proposed. The chart of literature survey, parameters, existing system and proposed system. First is the purging time. In existing system, purging time is not adjustable, and in proposed system, purging time is adjustable. Time utilized by system in existing system is a very existing system is a very time consuming, and time is saved in proposed system. Third one is a system notification. User does not get any idea of a filter is choke up, and in proposed system, user will get a message on mobile if filter is choke up. And last one is the loss of product. Loss in existing system, loss of expensive product caused by frequent changes, and in proposed system, no loss of expensive caused by frequent changes. Aarti will explain further topic. Arti?
No. Madhuri explain third topic, proposed system.
Okay, sorry. Madhuri will explain. Hello, Madhuri.
Madhuri, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. This is the proposed system architecture. There is an application that we are going to develop. In that application, through that application, user can maintain the pressure. That means maintain the speed of inlet water and outlet. Then filter on off and can also user can do with the help of application. After that, flush button is also provided on GUI of that application, through which user can whenever user wants perform the cleaning through the flush button. All this reading user can get on the application. After that, we place one turbidity sensor in filter, so that turbidity sensor measures the turbidity of water. That means it transmits some light as the clay or debris level increases. Transmitted light or the scattered light automatically decreases. That means turbidity level increases. So these measurements are turbidity measurements are transferred to the controller. We use here Arduino controller, Arduino Nano. Also, we are in that Arduino Nano we are going to use. After that, we interfacing the Arduino with the GPRS module, and GPRS module is a general packet radio service which transfers all the data to the cloud. So, to make the system every time available to the user, and to make it real time, or to make it every time available, so real time data always provided to the user, we are using here GPRS to provide the data over the cloud. Power supply is also to the Arduino and other components. Power supply is provided. Then filtering system is there. In filtering system, specifically flushing will be done. Now flushing process is like that as I explained. There is a filter. In existing system, the normal filter have two inlets. One inlet for water coming from source, and one is outlet through which water is provided to the crops. Now in proposed system, we are provided 4 valves. One inlet valve, outlet valve, then next 2 extra valves we are going to provide that are front valve is one and flushing valve is also for the flushing purpose. At the time of flushing, we will keep the only 3 valves open. One outlet valve we will keep always off, because we want to make a flushing or want to clean that particular filter. So outlet valve or the valve through which we provide the water, clean water to the crop, that valve keep always closed. Then front valve and inlet valve for some time period, first of all for some time period we will keep flushing valve also closed, only for some time period. Then we provide the water through inlet valve and front valve at some particular pressure. After that, water is thrown out to that two particular valve. We will open the flushing valve, and debris are thrown out of the filter, and after that normal process will start. Then outlet valve also open, and front valve and flushing valve will be closed.
Check the chat box,
further part will be explained by Arti.
Manjari, next slide.
Yes.
Details of module. Our system is divided into 5 modules. First one is user registration and login. Second one is garbage detection. Third, maintain pressure. And 4, system on off. And 5th is garbage filtering. Next slide, Manjari. First module, user registration and login. For this is input is username, password, email ID, mobile number, hardware ID or Aadhaar number. Output is user get register and login into the application. Yes, working is here user have to register with required parameters such as a name, mobile number, password, and hardware ID. After user done register successfully, user can log into the system. Next slide. Second module is garbage detection. For this, input is muddy water, and it gets output is detects the impurity in water. Its working is Roinco turbidity sensor detects water quality, measuring level of turbidity. It able to detect particles in water by measuring light transmittance and scattering rates, which changes the amount of total suspended solids in water. Next slide. Our third module is maintain pressure. For this, input is pressure button and its output is motor maintain pressure. The system will help utilizing water resource wisely and reducing the human efforts in maintain crops, which will decrease damage from human errors. Its working user can also maintain pressures of system. Next slide. Our fourth module is system on off. For this, input is on off button. Its output is the system monitor the on off status of the motor. Its working is the application will send the information about the condition of the agriculture feed through SMS to the farmer. After login, user can on off system start water filtering. Next slide. Our fifth module is garbage filtering. For this, input is the output of above all the above three modules is input to the garbage filtering. Its output is auto flushing, cleaning of filter done automatically. Using this system, we can monitor the status of all the sensors. Working is system can automatically remove dirt. Other part is explained by Shubhangi Raite.
Yes. Fifth point is software tools and technology. Software requirements are at front end PHP and Android web app, and backend we can use the MySQL. Hardware requirements are the filter, pressure sensor, turbidity sensor, GPRS module, control meter, and relay. Next slide, Manjari. Working modules are user registration and login module, station maintenance and controller module, and third one is garbage detection module. Next slide. The first one is user registration and login module. Like this, for registration, we can need the name of the person and mobile number and Aadhaar number of that person. For registration and login, mobile number and password is needed. Next slide. Second is pressure maintenance and control module. For that, there is the start and stop method. Then we start that system. There is a pressure controller option. From that, we can control the pressure of the input and output side. Next slide. And third one is the garbage detection. We cannot place in this PPT because we cannot have the image of that part. Garbage detection, we can do that for using turbidity sensor. We can detect the turbidity of the water which can present in filter. This turbidity, we can set the threshold value from when turbidity is more than that threshold value. We can do the flushing mechanism, and this is below the threshold value. There is no need of flushing. Next, project plan. This is the project plan of our system, and this is the system implementation plan. Next slide. Manjari, next slide. References. And these are the project competitions in which we can participate. First one is participated in Chhatra Vishwakarma Award competition at college level. Second is Avishkar district level competition, and third is Smart India Hackathon competition. Next. Thank you, ma'am.
So you can go to your literature survey just a minute.
Yes.
just to go to the okay, yeah. Parameters are purging time, time utilization, loss of project. So while selecting a project, with which equipments or what are the earlier projects you have seen that had disadvantage and you have selected this project?
Yes, ma'am. The existing project means existing system. The flushing is totally manual, and this is the system we are going to develop, in which we make it automatically through the mobile application. That means there is no application exist.
Farmer can do this process manually of cleaning or filter. So we can use less manpower. We can do it automatically from mobile application.
Okay.
Existing system is totally manual.
Go to the modules.
चॅट बॉक्स बघा सगळ्यांनी आणि अटेंडन्स पोस्ट करा.
Okay, the next slide.
Details.
Next.
Details of module.
Yeah, next slide. So this registration and login is done by whom? Who is going to
User, customer,
customer
or
and
user.
user.
Farmer.
Yes.
Farmer.
Okay. The next slide.
गरज काय आहे युजर रजिस्ट्रेशन करण्याची? फार्मरने का रजिस्टर करायला पाहिजे?
सर ते टोटली मोबाईल बेस्ड ऍप्लिकेशन आहे. सो
आणि सपोज एका फार्मरचं सिस्टीम असेल ही, आणि त्या फार्मरच्या सिस्टीमवर दुसरं कोणी जर तशी काही सिस्टीम नसेल, युजर त्याचं रजिस्ट्रेशन नसेल किंवा लॉग इन नसेल, तर दुसरं कोणी पण काही त्याचे काही हे ऍक्सेस करू शकतं किंवा कोणी पण त्याला ऑपरेट करू शकतं. जर सपोज त्या पर्टिक्युलर फार्मरचं त्याच्या सिस्टीमला रजिस्ट्रेशन असेल, लॉग इन असेल, तर त्याच्या ऍज पर त्याच्या रिक्वायरमेंट तो त्याला ऑपरेट करू शकतो.
What is the cost of this system?
काही हजार्डस इफेक्ट
If someone wants to project, how did you make an assumption? Why did you say 16,000? How did you make it?
Yes, ma'am.
10,000 रुपये कसं काय सांगितले तुम्ही कॉस्ट?
15 to 60,000, 16,000, sir.
Yes, 16,000. But how? How did you make an assumption? Seeing what parameters you made an assumption?
Ma'am,
by calculating the components.
which project?
IoT component.
Yes, sensors or
Okay, what type of IoT component
IoT
you have
components
used?
give cost. Pressure sensor or turbidity sensor
Then,
for garbage
hardware,
detection.
there is
filter.
hardware component also is there. Drip irrigation filter is their price is also much more, and another hardware component is also.
Okay, so what is the drawback of project?
There is no much more drawback, but sometimes if error is occurred in networking, so farmer can be
Okay, how will you
not do their work at time.
How will you enhance your project? If you want to give it to your juniors, so what more facilities are you going to provide for the farmers? How are you going to? What is the future scope?
We provide the facilities like inlet and outlet pressure. That means what is the inlet pressure and outlet pressure is most important thing, because if pressure is not maintained, then there is chances of system blockage. After user can automatically on or off the filter from everywhere. This is second. And previous back records we also provided to the user. Whenever in future user wants to then user can see it easily.
Parag sir, any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir,
बोला.
Manjari is not visible, so how I can capture the image?
व्हिडिओ ऑन करा सगळ्यांनी आणि चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये अटेंडन्स पोस्ट करा सगळेजण. बघा
Yes,
बरं
sir.
चॅट बॉक्स. आणि व्हिडिओ ऑन करा, फोटो क्लिक करायचा एक. Manjari, you can stop your screen sharing, no problem. And Manjari, you can
Yes,
turn
sir.
on your video. शुभांगी, सगळ्यांचे व्हिडिओ ऑन झाल्यानंतर पिक क्लिक करा आणि मला पाठवून द्या तो.
Yes, sir.
झाल्यावर सांगा फक्त.
मी केले सर क्लिक.
Done, sir.
ओके. आणि आता चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये सगळ्यांनी अटेंडन्स पोस्ट करायची आहे. मैडम और कुछ पूछना है?
नहीं सर, ऑल ओके.
ओके, चलेगा. अटेंडन्स पोस्ट केल्याशिवाय कोणीच ग्रुप लेफ्ट करायचं नाही, मीटिंग लेफ्ट करायची नाहीये.
येस सर.
Done, sir.